Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Shipai Jong kari India bat France haka khatlai tarik ujemang araja arpusau kila Sdang ke Jingkilan met ke bahenyo ke bala aikerteng Shakti ha Umroi Ribhoi district ke jaka ke bala penbit penbiang kat kum keni ke juk start bamenta ke bala tip kum ke foreign training note keni ke Jingkilan met kan Sdang nadu ke khatlai tarik ujemang araja arpusau bat kan kutpat haka arpunru tarik jong ubnai jemang araja arpusau. Haka ni ke sengi pli keni ke Jingkilan met ki Shipai lawan banyadan ringkat te utiari mato ubadai unong kiat tin siem kari France che India u Major General Prasanna Sudhakar Joshi General Officer Commanding 51 Sub Area bat kiwe ki he Shipai jong kari France bat India. Hagani ke Jingkilan met kumba khandai phongut ki Shipai jong kari India kiba khambun nak Rajput Regiment kilawan ban shimenta haringkat ke jingadan lang ki Shipai sun bat Shipai duriau jong kari nalor kiwe nakalyang jong kari France pat lawan bani shimenta da khandai phongut ki Shipai ki badai naka 13 Foreign Legion Half Brigade lani 13 DBLE kuman shukdo hangni kani ke Jingkilan met hapdeng ki Shipai jong kari India bat France laju penlong shisien haman la ka arsnam bat kasien ke bakhadu ke bala penlong yakum kani ke juk ke jat Jingkilan met kalong hausnam arajar arphuwei hakari France kathong bakongsan jong kani ke jingpenlong ye kani ke Jingkilan met Shakti kalong ban pentebet bat penklan shu ya karukam trikam jong ki Shipai kari India bat France ban yakun persha ya ki kampen triam ki bahap habo ka chapter 7 jong ka United Nations mandate kani ke Jingkilan met kan shimkhya kerpang ya ka jingyakun ki bahap kamtam haki jaka khapsor bat ki jaka balong lum bat ke jingmentai ke baki Shipai baro artali kiri ken yo ling ba kani ke Jingkilan met kanlong ban yo ya ka jinghikai ban penklan ya ka bormet baru ban penjanai ya ka rukom ya khun persha ya ki kampen triam lingba ka jing ai buat markaliang ki jinghikai ki ba penlong lingba kani ke Jingkilan met kan kenthop ru ban kurup ya ka jaka ka ba penan kam da ki le no lani ki erang ban thau ya ka joint command post ban thau ya ki intelligence and surveillance center ban penyo ya ki jaka ya ling sun ka ba shngan ban thau ya ka jaka ban penhyar bat kit ya ki Shipai ki ba ya khun lani ka small team insertion and extraction special heliborne operation cordon and search operation nalor ke jingpenan kam ki drone bat ki we de kani ke Jingkilan met Shakti kan ya rapru yakini ki artali kiri bakini ai buat markaliang hakiru kam ba pher ban khun persha yaki kampen triam bat kanwan ra ru yaki jingya dei bat jingya jan hapdeng kini ki artali kiri ka perthai.
Well, this is very important because, as you know, France and India enjoy an exceptional relationship. As I said earlier, last year we celebrated the 25th anniversary of our strategic partnership. Actually, I like to describe this partnership as universal because literally it goes from the deep ocean to the outer space. And obviously, defense and security is a major pillar, and I must say the major pillar of our partnership with India. As you know, it takes place in the context of the Indo-Pacific strategy. And I would like to say that this cooperation between France and India in the sector of defense and security is organized around three pillars. I mean, actually, we have to work on three legs, if I may say. The first one is our strategic dialogue, meaning that we share the same vision. I just used the term of Indo-Pacific strategy. So France coined its own Indo-Pacific strategy back in 2018. We have a vision of obviously a peaceful, inclusive region, and as a matter of fact, we share the same vision as India. So, same vision, joint strategic views on the state of the region is essential and is really at the core of our partnership. Second is our cooperation on defense equipment. So, of course, you are all aware of our close relation as far as Rafale jets are concerned, Scorpion submarines. I could make a long list of equipments, air, marine, land where France and India have a strong cooperation. I want to insist on the fact that all the major French companies dealing in the security and defense sectors are here in India, totally complying with the Make in India concept and developing their cooperation with the stakeholders in this country. So joint vision on the Indo-Pacific strategy, cooperation on defense equipment, and of course, joint military exercise. And this exercise, once again, as I said, is the third of its type, very important for our military men to interact, first of all to know each other, but to exchange good practices. And at the end, if they have to work, to fight together, they will exactly know how to proceed. So this kind of exercise we have in all dimensions, naval, air force, and here land exercise, very important. So once again, we attach a great importance to this interaction. As I said earlier, the future of the cooperation between France and India in the security and defense sector is bright, so we are looking forward to developing it in the 3 legs I just described.
I consider myself extremely fortunate to be part of this joint exercise Shakti. As we can see, the joint training load at Umroi conducts training for Indian Armed Forces and forces from friendly foreign countries. Exercise Shakti will focus on the mechanics of conduct of subconventional operations under the Chapter 7 of United Nations mandate, undertaking company-level joint operations and sharing from each other's best practices. We look forward to our French counterparts for enriching ourselves with their knowledge, skills and expertise. The endeavor of the exercise is to learn from each other's shared experiences, develop jointmanship and interoperability through constructive dialogue between individuals and small groups. During the 14 days of staying together, we aspire to work closely with each other to enhance our trust and shared understanding.
I want first to present our warmest thanks to the 22nd Regiment for its warm welcome and support, which clearly set the exercise on a great path. I have no doubt that this new and improved Shakti 23-24 will be a great success and will perfectly illustrate the way the partnership between our armies has kept developing these past 3 years. Thank you.